And I have to tell you today, there's a touch of mystery about this because none of us can quite remember what's in the time capsule.
As you heard in my announcement, we're here to open our time capsule from 1969.
Why did we bury a time capsule? Very good question. Centennial class of Lincoln High School. We want to do something special and memorable.
No one has seen the interior until now.
So not many schools do time capsules like this, and one that's held for 50 years.
You know, they say if you remember the 1960s, you really weren't a part of them.
I had a ball here at Lincoln High School. I was the Mayfair Queen, 1969, and our prom queen.
It's looking kind of wet in here. It kind of smells bad.
It was amazing to see that I was in the time capsule. I'm impressed. I'm shocked. I didn't think I was going to be in the time capsule.
Some of it's just fun. It's seeing how different things were, you know, what things looked like, what was important to 50 years ago in high school, and maybe some appreciation for respecting the past and also anticipating the future. So they're going to be installing their own time capsule.
Well, as you can see, there's a lot of moisture that entered the 69 capsule. So our hopes is that this time capsule, and we'll take some more precautionary methods like using plastic bags and sort of anti-moisture devices to sort of mitigate the risk of this happening again.
Use Ziploc plastic bags. They weren't invented in our day in 1969.
It means that there's a lot of history in this school. We hear about history all the time here, but really glad we got to see it.